Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you remove a product from your cart in ShopPay. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to remove a product from your cart, you just simply have to open your ShopPay application, and after opening the ShopPay, you just simply have to tap into this cart icon, which will be visible into the bottom right corner. If you can see that, you just simply have to refresh your application for once. Then you will get to see the cart icon into bottom right corner. Just simply tap to cart icon, and after that you will get a bunch of options. Among them, you just simply have to tap into this garbage bin icon, or if this option is not showing into yours, tap to three dots. Then you will get the option of remove from cart, tap into that, and then the product will successfully be removed from your cart. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.